Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto with PayPal. So in order to buy crypto with PayPal, first thing first, you need to go ahead and log in into your PayPal account. After that, you'll be able to find Bitcoin option located right at the bottom on your dashboard page. After you tap the Bitcoin icon, next page, it's going to ask you to select the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. So select the cryptocurrency. After that, you'll be able to see the information such as this. So here you need to go ahead and select the buy button once again. So in order to confirm before you buy, click the continue button located right at the bottom. Now then, to begin with, you need to enter in the exact amount that you wish to buy and tap the next button. On the other interface, you need to select the payment method. So if you've already added a bank account or if you want to pay through your PayPal balance, then you can do that as well and tap the next button. As soon as you've done that, you need to review and confirm the buy. So click the buy button if you're sure about the information that you've provided. Then you'll be notified with the statement that you've successfully bought Bitcoin on PayPal. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.